Welcome to session 2. In this session, we will be discussing about how to create your beautiful LinkedIn profile. Okay. So what are the basic necessities if you are a student, if you are a fresh graduate, if you are already working in a company, it is very important to have a LinkedIn profile because I think in few years the people will start asking your LinkedIn URL compared to your resume. Okay, so this is how it's growing LinkedIn for the professionals, I'm telling you. Okay, so I'll be showing my LinkedIn profile also for you people. Okay, and also I'll be sharing some of the uh, very good facts what happens when you share something in the LinkedIn. Okay, how you get the connections and all those things. We'll discuss about the LinkedIn now. Okay, this is very important. Okay, just concentrate. Nothing to worry. We'll be having a live Q&A session wherein you can ask me any questions. We are having the Facebook group. You can put the questions there. I'm here to solve all the questions. Okay. First, in the LinkedIn, before building a LinkedIn profile, do a research about yourself. You are a civil engineer. Yes, you have got a degree in civil engineering. Maybe diploma, maybe B in civil engineering, maybe MTech in structural engineering or any other degree. With respect to civil engineering, if you are having a degree, yes, I'm a civil engineer. Correct. Next, about you. What exactly you want to know about you? What exactly you want to know about you? I mean to tell that, like, what you know about civil engineering, okay, and how much you are knowing about it. Okay, so this is knowing about yourself, what knowledge you are having in that particular civil engineering field. So what's your goal? So your goal is to join a company? No. Your goal is to be a consultant and give huge amount of service to huge amount of people. Okay, for example. So that is your goal. Target audience. For example, if you are giving structural design as a service, your target audience are the architects because they are in need of the structural design and the clients directly coming to you. Okay, so these two people are your target audience. Okay, so if you know the target audience, like who are actually getting the service from you, who exactly requires the structural design, so it will become very easy for you to target them and try to get connecting with them and give your service to them. Okay, this is called about the target audience. Next, your professional expertise. When you know about yourself, it is easy for you to share something what you know professionally and what you are expert in it. For example, if you are expert in saving money in construction of a residential house, you can share a lot of information in the social media platform about it, correct? So this is the professional expertise. So what exactly you are knowing about it, about your profession, that is very, very important. So that too, which particular, for example, if you are a civil engineer, general civil engineer, who is a contractor, if you are expert in building residential houses, that means your professional expertise is building residential houses. Okay, understood? So you should go to a particular point and you should stand there and you should tell them that yes, I am expert in this particular profession. Okay, this is about the research. So you have to research yourself and you should come to a conclusion that yes, I am expert in this particular profession. Next, professional photograph. What is professional photograph? Like this photograph, when you see that photograph in any profile, it will give life to your complete profile. Okay, it should be so professional. Understood? So get a professional photographer, get some good 10 to 15 photographs, select one or two photographs, finalize it and put that in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, don't directly go to your friend or someone and ask to click a photo in the mobile or something like that. Okay, go to a professional photograph, dress well, put a suit or something like that, and you can definitely get that photography done in like maybe in few hours. Later on, select those photographs properly, use Photoshop, they'll do it, they are very professional in that one, and they'll give you a very good product out of it. So accordingly you can put that photograph in the LinkedIn profile. When the people comes to your profile, when they see the photograph, it will be a very good impression to them. The first impression is the best impression, correct? Next, experience. So what is the experience? If you are a student, nothing to worry. what exactly the projects you are doing in your college, what is the internship you have already done it. Okay, so this will be your experience if you are a student. If you are a fresh graduate, this two things are very similar: the professional, the projects handled in the college, the internships, and you are just come out of the college, so that you are in search of a job. So the complete project handled, the complete different number of internships you have handled, you will be in a capacity to explain it to the people, correct? So this is for the fresh graduates. If you are already working in some company, or if you are already a consultant, so you can give a lot of professional experience in the form of projects, what exactly you have handled, and what kind of projects you are specialized in it, what services you can give. So these professional experiences you can give. For example, if you are working for a company for first 2 years in one company, A company, then for 1 year in B company, then for 2 years in C company. So what you can do, you can give it prioritize year wise. You can put C company first, which you are working presently, then the previous B company, then the A company. So C, B, A. So this should be the order. The first should be the present company which you are working. Okay. Next, certification courses. For example, if you have done any certification courses during your college days or after your college completed, so that also you can project it in your profile as an experience. Okay. Internship plays a very important role. We'll be discussing about the internship in deep. Okay. The skills means, for example, at least 5 skills you have to mention it in your profile. For example, if you're good in AutoCAD, mention it. Stat Pro, MS Office, MS Word, not an issue, you can mention it there. And if you are very good in communicating a different language, for example, if you are very good in Spanish, mention it. Okay, so minimum 5 skills you mention it in your profile. It will give a very good added value to your profile. Okay, softwares, okay, apart from the regular softwares, what exactly the college you have taught in the college. If you know different software, for example, I learned Tekla structures very recently in my 10 years of experience, like till today. Like after my 9 years of experience, I learned Tekla software, so I have added to my profile. So the courses you have done till now, okay, apart from the certification courses, if you have done any course where they have not given the certification, like that, so you can give lot of skills information in this particular section. Next, education. So the degree, the qualification, higher level of degree. For example, if you are an MTech graduate, you can mention the MTech graduate in structural engineering, MTech in structural engineering, from which college, which university. Then comes the BTech or the BE in civil engineering, which college, which university. Like this, you can mention the degree, qualification, higher level of degrees, and also you can give a small summary about if you have done any achievements in your college, like that. Okay, this is about the education. Next, write a good summary about you. There is a space I'll be showing you. So there is a space is there available in the LinkedIn, wherein you can just put up a small summary about you, wherein you can give the introduction about yourself, from which place you are belonging to, about your profession. You can even attach the resume there. Okay, the recent resume you can attach it in that particular place. You can put some media like videos, photos, ongoing or the completed projects. You can post a lot of things. Okay, give something so that the people has to come to you, the people has to get service from you. So you should be in a position after this course. Okay, you should be in a position to be active in social media and to get as number of clients as possible online. Understood? We'll be discussing in, I think, module 6 or 7, wherein we will be telling you how to contact people without going physically to them. Okay, without having the physical touch with them. Okay, going to their office, discussing, waiting there in the reception area, nothing. Just having a new technology called micro video approach. Okay, you can directly contact the clients, you can explain them what exactly you are doing. So those things you can get to know in this course. Headline and the current position, this is very very important. In that particular headline portion, you have to mention what exactly you are doing in the present current position. Okay, if you are, for example, if you are a team lead of a particular structural design team, so you can mention team lead slash structural design, like that. Okay, your location of presence, for example, this is very very important. If you are from Bangalore, for example, it is very important to mention that particular place, Bangalore. You may be from Chennai, not issue. But if you are presently working in Bangalore, mention that you are working in Bangalore but from Chennai. Okay, there are a lot of space available for this. So what happens is, if you are looking for a job, or if some person is looking for a service from a person who is present in Bangalore, okay, he will search structural engineer Bangalore. So what happens, that keyword will search both structural engineer, but it will search the structural engineers from Bangalore. So you may be a person for that client he is searching for. Understood? So this is how that location is very, very important. Okay, custom URL, this we will discuss in depth when I take the live Q&A session. Okay, for the custom URL means, you can see here linkedin.com/in India/Sri Ramarao. Okay, this is my name. I'm having this URL. When that name is there here, okay, it gives some value. Understood? When the people want to copy this URL into their browser, they'll directly go to my profile. Okay, adding connections. So first what you have to do is, when you open a new LinkedIn account, or if you are having existing LinkedIn account, if you don't have a lot of connection, nothing to worry. First send request to your friends, colleagues, family members, team members who are there in the same profession. Understood? If you are a structural engineer, you have to send to the request to those people who are practicing structural engineering, who are practicing something in civil engineering general. Okay, so that what happens, you will get the person who is getting that request, he will see who from whom I am getting the request. He will see, yes, a structural engineer is sending me a request. I am a civil engineer, so if I get connected with him, I'll get some business from him, even I can give some business to him. So this is the idea behind getting the connections. Okay, sending requests. Okay, don't send requests to anyone who are not related to your profession. So they might not even accept your request. So it will create a negative impression in the market. Okay, next, people standing in your industry. As I told you, the people who are standing in the civil engineering industry, send requests to them. They might accept it, they might not accept it, nothing to worry. Trying never fails. Okay, next, people you want to target. For example, if you are a good civil engineer who builds the commercial apartments, okay, apartment buildings, so what you can do, you can get connected with the people who are the developers, the architects, the companies who are building the apartments. You can communicate to them, you can tell them, yes, we are very specialized in building the apartments, we'll build apartments in a low cost with 100% quality. So you can approach them. So this is how you have to build the relationship, the connection in the LinkedIn. Okay, so don't go to some other people professions. For example, if you're a civil engineer, don't get into electrical engineering people in the beginning itself. Okay, if you want to give some service to your client in the form of electrical engineering service, then connect with some people in the electrical engineering division. It makes sense. Understood? Next, engage yourselves in the LinkedIn profile, update your profile, and talk. Come in front of the camera, put a video, or put some slogan, put some information. Be active in social media. What happens if you are putting a lot of information about your profession regularly, what happens, the people start following you, the people will be observing you. If you are very good in something, you'll get a business. Okay, finally, keep your profile short, simple, and straightforward. Okay, this is something about the LinkedIn profile which I want to tell you people. I'll be showing some of the things now. I'll be showing you my LinkedIn profile. Can you see here, Gary Vaynerchuk? Okay, what he's telling me here: stop judging yourself. Did you try as hard as you could? Did you have good intent? Then you won 100%. Stop judging yourself. I can do, whether I can do it. If someone tells something, if I come in front of the camera and if I post some video, leave everything. If you have tried, if you have tried with a good intent, you have already won the match. Understood? I follow this guy. He's a very good motivation speaker. He feels a lot of positivity. Okay, this is my profile. When you open the Instagram, sorry, when you open the LinkedIn, you will see the profile like this. If you have updated everything, you can see here when you are opening it, you can see my photo. This is the ring color. What you are seeing it, it's our brand logo. I'll be showing that logo also. My full name. I'm the co-founder and technical head at Manidai Business Services. So what the people will observe here, who is he? He is the co-founder, correct? What he is doing there? He is the technical head at Manidai Business Services. Okay, this is about the headline what I was speaking about. I'll go to my profile. Just click here, view profile. Okay, see here about me. When you click it here, I'm the gold medalist in structural engineering from the first coffee crop cultivated city of India. Why I'm mentioning this first coffee crop cultivated city of India? Some people will get impressed when you are putting some unique words. Okay, when you are reading, when they are reading something, they'll get impressed because of your communication. Okay, in different ways. Okay, I'm a structural engineer, also working as a assistant professor in civil engineering. So I have put a brief introduction about me and till what I'm doing till now. Like what presently I'm doing it, I've already briefed everything in this small, simple statements. And when you're writing your summary, maintain gaps, like give it in different number of paragraphs. Don't put it in a single paragraph. People find it difficult to read it. Okay. Next. Uh, Okay, see here. Experiences. I'm the co-founder presently. I've given some information about my company. Previous to it, I was working as an engineer in Green Book Engineering Services, where I learned Tekla structures. Okay, I got exposed in the G2G engineering. I was an intern. I learned the software there, and I got exposed to the software in Green Book Engineering Services just for 5 months. Because of the COVID situation, I came back to my town. So here I'm in front of you people. Okay, before that was having my own consultancy, TNA Consultants. Okay, before starting Manidai Business Services, I worked as a consultant, as a structural engineer for almost 8 years in structural and TNA Consultants. I was assistant professor. I did my internship in civil and techno clinic Bangalore private limited Bangalore in non-distributive testing. So these are all the like experiences what I have got it. Okay, next the education, Manipal Institute of Technology, MTech, and Alchemy Institute of Technology, the B in civil engineering. Next, the license and certificates. I am having a certification in TECLA. I am an associate valuer immovable properties. Okay, we will be discussing about this also. I am having certification in chartered engineering. I am the associate of Institute of Engineers. I am the bank panel valuer of Karnataka Bank from 2018. Okay, this valuator, the panel valuer, it's having a huge amount of value nowadays. You can make hell amount of money in this particular valuation field. Okay, we'll be discussing about this. Next, the skills. I know AutoCAD, I know structural engineering, I know Tekla structures. Okay, I'm having some interest. Like I follow a lot of people here. So this is how you have to build your LinkedIn profile. So if you are finding it any difficulty, please put your questions in the Facebook group, or you can ask in the live Q&A session when we will be intimating you. All these things will be informing you, all these things through the email, so that you can join those live Q&A session wherein we will be describing each one of this live. Okay, so this is about the LinkedIn. So this is the ring what you are seeing. It's about the brand color what I told you. Now I'll show you one more thing. Okay, I put a post. Actually, we did a temple project in Chikmagalur. Okay, we did that project. We completed that project very recently. I'll just show you that post. This is the temple project which we did it very recently. Okay, it's a very very big project, very huge number of very big area, almost 11,000 square feet area. Okay, so when you see this temple project, okay, can you see here 25,243 views it has been gone. 25,000 people have seen this, okay, in a very short period of time. Okay, and a lot of people have commented here. Can you see here 21 people have commented, 350 people have liked this. Okay, because of this project, temple project, I'm having an inquiry to build a temple. Okay, in Bangalore, very near to Bangalore, we are having an inquiry. We are actually working on it. Like they are having some issues with the land. We are solving all those things. We are in communicating with them regularly. So because of this one post, I got one more temple. Understood? This is the power of social media platform. This is the power of LinkedIn professionally. I am putting some profession, my expertise, the temple building. Okay, so some people have seen this, some people have got interest, and some people gave me this the job. Okay, I got a lot of inquiries after this, but we have finalized only one or two. In that one, we are in talk with one of the temple project. Next, you can see here, like I'm starting a podcast very soon. So I just put a small it's two statement like, hello guys, I'm inviting guests to be a part of my podcast to make civil and structural simple. Let me know who are all interested. Can you see here 16,000 people have seen this? Okay, out of them 21 people are interested. 21, I've already got 21 guests now. Okay, if I start the podcast, my 21 guests are already ready. So the 21 contents, 21 connections I build it here. So this is the power of it. So I want you people to practice this. I want you people to implement this, and I want you people to get good job from the people after seeing your profile or after seeing your what are the contents you are putting and all those things. So this is about the LinkedIn, and in the coming sessions we'll be discussing very few points about Facebook and Instagram. Okay, because for the professional, LinkedIn is the first priority. Okay, and we'll also be discussing about the podcast. So this is about the session 2. Thank you.